Hey everyone, today we fixed our squeaky 4Moms mamaRoo unit. This thing was making a squeaking plastic noise. You can look it up. I'll link to that video down here. And what we ended up doing was following the instructions of how to take this thing apart. And I didn't think that I needed to record that part, so I didn't take a recording of how to take this thing apart, so I'm going to link to that also. But instead, we figured out how to solve the plastic squeaking noise. It's different than any sort of mechanical sound. It's kind of like the creaking of wood, of a wood panel when you walk on wood, but it's plastic. So it was really simple. We looked all over and finally identified that the noise was coming from this little wire setting here, rubbing up against this little plastic encasing that it's got every single time that it rotated. So every time it would go back, it would make a squeaking noise. And it was really simple. We actually got some of the lubricant that was underneath this panel, and just kind of rubbed it up against these wires, and it solved it. Because that seems like an unconventional solution, I'm also just going to put some WD-40 on it instead, and that's probably what we can go for instead. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That solved it, and now it sounds great. We were going to sell it, and maybe we might keep it now. Thanks, everyone. Hope this helps.